Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are fixing a set of 18 inches rim and tires for this Toyota Hilux. This video is a bit special. I'm going to walk you through and explain along the way the process of us changing rim and tires. So stay tuned to us and then we're going to show you a lot of cool stuff. If you guys haven't noticed, this car has been modified and jacked up by 2 inches in order to fit such a big tires. So for a normal Hilux, if you want to go for a bigger size tires, make sure you check your clearance before you proceed. So as you can see, the owner already have a set of aftermarket rims and is currently using a very big tires, 35, 12.5, 18 empty tires. So empty tires are really good for off-road activities. However, if you drive on highway most of the time, empty tires are really noisy and sometimes very hard to balance. So as for this new set of rim and tires, I definitely recommend you go for a set of 80 all-terrain tires. So another thing about this current set of rims that the owner does not like, that it is using a set of wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are always not my first choice because if it's not installed properly, it usually causes you a lot of vibration issue and cause a lot of strain onto this wheel bearing. So as for this new set of rims, I recommend you go for 18x9 or set 0. This rim will have exactly the same spec as for the previous without the need of this wheel spacer. So another thing you guys might notice is that the old tires is wider compared to the new tires. You are right, because this old tires is 315 compared to this new tires 275. This tires is narrower by 4 cm, which is good because another thing that the owner complained is that this tire consumes too much petrol. So 275 definitely will improve the car fuel consumption. So the rim that the owner chose is this rim, Enkai All-Road RPT1. Everyone is familiar with Enkai. This brand is from Japan and they produce one of the best quality rims in the market right now. This rim is very JDM, very sporty design. Most importantly, it's an evergreen design. This rim is so classic, it will last you for another 10 years to come. I have this rim in 2 colors, matte gunmetal and this limited edition matte bronze color. So this rim is perfect for this Toyota Hilux, 18x9 inches offset 0. Without any need of wheel spacer, this rim is slightly sticking out from the car body. Combined with these 80 tires, 275, 7018, really make the car look super muscular. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what we do here, show some love, like the video and subscribe to us. And if you're looking for rims, check out our King Ring Facebook and King Ring website. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.